Hi there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo, and as you know, I talk about food design. In this video, I want to show you an example of, actually a few examples of how we can solve the problem of single-use plastic bottles by going beyond the solution that is the first ones to probably come to mind and you might be thinking about right now, and which I'm going to show you. So basically, in the past few weeks, months, I've been seeing these ads of this new water bottle popping up on Instagram over and over. And so this is called, I think, kbottle.com, and it is a alternative solution to single-use plastic bottle, and it's also a collapsible bottle. So besides the fact that you can refill it and reuse it thousands of times, you can also collapse it when it's empty, and you save a little bit of space. Now, this company, I think it's a young startup, and I think they are filled with good intention, and the product, makes sense. In a way, it does absolutely solve the problem of single-use plastic bottles. The other thing that I think is beautiful about this particular startup is that if we see their charity page on their website, we can see that they support various charities. And so, for example, they say Kbottle is proud to support both national and SF, San Francisco Bay Area local nonprofit organizations to help raise environmental awareness, promote sustainable practices, and protect our beautiful planet Earth. And this is very commendable of them, and I wanted to just give them a shout out and say well done. At the same time, though, I want, because this channel is about food design and innovation within all aspects of food design. Of course, drinks like water, and so anything that goes inside a bottle is part of food design as well, in my opinion. What I want to say with this video is that there are ways to go even further, probably, to solve the problem of single-use plastic bottle even with different ways. Indeed, collapsible water bottles are not new, and reusable water bottles, of course, as well, are not a new solution. So even though reusable plastic bottles do indeed help the problem of single-use plastic bottles, they are still products, and they are still products that at some point in a year, in 6 years, in 10 years, will need to be dealt with. And whatever material you use, at some point that material either goes into the landfill or has to be transformed into something else by using energies and resources. So what I want to do with this video is showing you other alternatives to water to single-use plastic bottles. So, for example, we see this company that has Nippon Basic has designed these bicycles that filters water while the person is going on the bicycle. And so this bicycle can be used anywhere in the world and filter and purify any type of water, especially, for example, in those countries where drinkable water is not readily available and everywhere. We also have this product that I quite like, and it's quite very simple. It's called the water cone, and this is a simple cone that transforms seawater, salty water into drinkable water, and it can be used anywhere by anyone. Very simple. We also have this other product. It's a Roundabout water solution. So basically, I'm going to show you this image here. The Roundabout, so while kids are playing, the water is pumped up, then it's filtered, and it then becomes drinkable and can be used, for example, in the garden. So this product combines giving a playground to kids in schools, for example, and purifying water. So two birds with one stone. Very interesting product indeed. But probably my favorite solution to single-use plastic bottle is the Hydro Leaf shelter, which has been designed by Iranian industrial design student Mostafa Bonakdar. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. So this wonderful solution, I'm going to show you some images. The leaf collects rainwater, also providing a shelter if you are waiting for the bus or whatever. So when it rains, it collects the water. The solar panel then powers the filter, and in the end, you have drinkable water where water is not available. So well done to Mostafa, definitely a very interesting idea, and something like this and the bicycle that we have seen and the water cone, etc., not only solves the problem of single-use plastic bottles, but also solve the problems of the lack of availability of drinkable water throughout cities. So what I want to say with this video is that whenever we have a problem, products are not the only solutions. Services often also provide even better solutions. So whenever you have a problem that you want to solve, like for example plastic in general, single-use plastic, try and use whatever type of creativity process that is going to guide you to broaden the horizons of the different possible solutions you could come up with. Some of them might be products, some others might be services, and use creative processes that lead to thinking in terms of circularity, and that are going to help you to solve maybe multiple problems with one service. Let me know what you think in the description below. Let me know which water bottle solution alternative was your favorite. Let me know, of course, if you think I forgot some that are even better. And as always, thank you for watching this video. Have a lovely day and happy food design.